Hey everyone, I'm CNC Shawn, and in this video, we're talking slat wall. One of the many advantages of owning a ShopSabre CNC is the ability to offer custom features, one being slat wall like this. Typically, you're going to get slat wall in white, black, gray. A huge advantage for us with the CNC is we can offer the exact color that we're going to use on the cabinets and put it in the slat wall. It's a great feature. What gives us that ability is using a tool like this. This is going to go in and give us that slot we need. It's a really simple process. We're going to cut our part out. We're going to cut one slot in it just to clean it out, and then we'll run this through. Then from there, if you want, you can add a metal insert in there, gives it a little more strength, maybe cleans it up a little bit, and it's just a great feature that you can offer your clientele. So if you're interested in being able to offer custom features like this, be sure to check us out at ShopSabre.com, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Thanks for watching.